Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel, and welcome to Machine Learning and AI Tutorials. In this AI agent tutorial, I will explain how to install n8n on a Linux Ubuntu machine and how to build your first AI agent. For those of you who are not familiar with n8n, n8n is probably one of the simplest programs and software for building AI agents. In fact, you don't need to know Python coding to start implementing and testing your agents. And over here as an illustration, in this video tutorial, I will teach you how to build a simple AI agent that will receive a chat message over here. For example, over here you can ask a question. Then what the agent will do, the agent will call the Ollama Llama 3.2 large language model that's running locally. Then it's going to use also Wikipedia to find the answer, and it's going to provide you the answer. Simple as that. What is important to mention over here is that the model is running completely locally. That is, I have to be more precise, the large language model is running locally. However, this AI agent can still access internet and can go on Wikipedia and find articles. In order to install and use n8n, we first need to install Node.js. To install Node.js, you have two approaches. The first approach is to watch this video tutorial over here I created, and I'm going to provide the link to this video tutorial in the description below. However, for completeness of this video tutorial, I'm quickly going to go over the installation of Node.js. So let's start. To install Node.js, you need to go to the Node.js website, then you click here on download. Now, over here you can see the installation instructions. However, to apply these installation instructions, you first need to install curl. So let's learn how to install curl. To install curl, first of all, open a terminal, then in the terminal type this, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, and enter your password, and this will update and upgrade all the packages on your system. Okay, after updating and upgrading everything, to install curl, you simply need to execute this command, and this will install curl. And let's verify the curl version by typing curl --version, and over here you can see the current curl version. Now we are ready to start installing Node.js. And to install Node.js, you simply need to execute these commands over here. Namely, go again to this website and start executing these commands. You have one command, second command, third command, fourth, fifth, and sixth, and that's it. Simple as that. Or you can watch this video tutorial I created in order to learn how to implement all these steps. The next step is to install Ollama and to download and install Llama 3.2 model. To do that, go to the Ollama website and then over here click on download. Then make sure that Linux is selected and copy this installation command. We have installed curl, so we can execute this command. Next step is to open a terminal, and in the terminal simply execute this command, and this should install Ollama. After installing Ollama, let's verify the installation. To do that, go back to the terminal and type Ollama, and you should see this generic reply. Another approach for verifying installation is to simply type Ollama list, and this should list all downloaded models. Since we didn't download anything, everything is empty. The next step is to download the model. To download the model, go back to the Ollama website and over here search for a model. Here you have a number of choices. In this tutorial, I'm going to download and install Llama 3.2 since this is a lightweight model. Consequently, search for Llama 3.2 and click over here. And then I'm going to select 3B model, and this command will be generated. I'm going to copy this command, however I'm not going to execute it immediately. I'm going to paste it, and instead of run over here, I'm simply going to type pull, and this will only download the model. So press enter and wait until the model is downloaded. On my computer it's going to take around 1.5 minutes to download this model. And after the model is downloaded, let's verify that it works. First of all, type Ollama list to see the model, and to run the model simply type this. And this should run the model after you enter the model name. Here it is. And this is a small model, and now let's ask, who are you? And let's see. And here it is. Good. This means that the model is working and we can proceed further. Let's press Ctrl D to exit. After installation of Node.js and Ollama, we can proceed with the installation of n8n. To do that, open a terminal, and in the terminal type this command. And this should install n8n. Here you need to be patient, since it might take even several minutes to install n8n. And after some time you should see these messages, and finally you should see this. This means that n8n is installed. Next we need to start n8n. To do that we simply need to type this. You can simply copy this command or you can execute it. And let's see what will happen. First of all, some packages will be downloaded. And after that, you will see a message that you can run n8n in the web browser. So the best strategy is simply to copy this address, open the web browser, and over here in the web browser paste this address. Then you will need to fill in your email, your name, and over here you need to enter your password. Here you're registering locally, however you're still going to send an email to get the license. And click on next. Here I will not save. Here just click get started, and here you'll be asked, do you want to receive a free license key? Why not? And you will receive an email with free license key. Open that email and activate that free license key. After you click on the email you got and on the license key, you'll be directed to this window over here, and you can start with modeling. Here, to test the installation of n8n, we are going to build a simple chat model. So let's start. First of all, click here to start from scratch, and over here click and search for AI agent and click over here. Okay, and let's use the default settings and consequently click back to canvas. And you will see that immediately several blocks will be included over here. The first block is the chat block. That is, over here the user enters a question, and if you double click over here on this block, nothing special is written over here. However, if you click here on open chat and if you type a message over here, this message through this block will be sent to the AI agent. The next step over here is to add the chat model. To do that, click here and search for Ollama, and click on Ollama chat model, and let's set the credentials. To set the credentials, click here and click on create new credentials. Now let's test these credentials. Namely, by default Llama should be on this port. However, here you might see an issue. So let's click on save, and the issue doesn't exist on Linux Ubuntu. However, on a Windows machine the issue might exist. If you're on a Windows machine, you will need to enter this address over here. However, on Linux Ubuntu everything is perfect. Okay, let's click on retry. Everything works perfectly, so close it. And Over here, you will see that the model is automatically recognized, so let's keep it as it is. So click back to canvas and let's continue. The next step is to add the memory to our model such that the model can understand and the AI agent can understand the context. So click here, and over here select the default memory, and let's keep the context length, for example, equal to 3. Click to back on canvas, and over here we are going to add a tool. Click on the tool, and as a tool I'm going to add Wikipedia. And click on back on canvas. So let's explain what's happening over here. Here, our Ollama chat model will call Llama 3.2 when the user enters the message. Then, the AI agent will consult both the Llama 3.2 model and Wikipedia to provide the answer. And over here we can be more specific. We can click here and we can click on add option, and let's add a system message. Your helpful assistant that answers user questions and uses Wikipedia if necessary. And that's it. And let's go back, let's save this model, and let's test the model. To test the model, simply open chat and ask, are you working? And let's see the answer. Bang, you see AI agent, you can see Ollama chat model, Wikipedia, and we are back. And here it is. You get this response, which means the system is working. Okay, let's ask some kind of more particular question. For example, how to solve a quadratic equation. And let's, for example, do this. Is equal to 0, and let's see the answer. You can see it's working, and over here it's your given answer. Okay, so it works perfectly. This is one approach for developing AI agents. Of course, there are a number of approaches, since over here as a tool you can, for example, use a weather application, you can send an email, you can communicate with the database, you can develop a RAG system, you can do all sorts of things. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. Also on my YouTube channel you can find more than 1000 free video tutorials covering different topics such as machine learning, AI, robotics, and AI agents. That's all for today, and see you in the next video tutorial.